Hey everybody, welcome to the Ridgway world. I'm Jeff, and we got to get this out of the yard. We got us an '86 Honda Shadow.
Whoa! I thought your Twitter post was a joke.
It wasn't a joke. You got to get it out of the yard. This has been sitting here for what, 15 years?
Yeah.
You gave it to your brother. Your brother don't want nothing to do with it.
Well, whoa, what's going on here?
I want this out of my yard.
It's appreciated in value, though.
But when I die, all this shit has to go out.
Relic. You can't get rid of this at all.
This is JT's.
It doesn't matter. If I sign the title, I can sign it Jeffrey Ridgway, and nobody's the wiser. DMV don't know, and they don't care.
Hey, you can't get rid of this.
No, I'm not selling it. I'm giving it away.
Yeah, but it's
can't
not
give it away.
mine.
You get money for that.
Didn't you give it to your brother years ago?
That's mine. Well,
nobody signed the title.
How did you get to that?
You didn't want it anymore.
This is iconic. You can't
I think I bought it from you. I think I bought it from you.
I don't think
you did, but you never got the title signed.
Title. That's everything. It's signed. It still says Jeffrey Ridgway on it.
That proves that it's mine.
Oh yeah, you're right. I got the title. It took how long to find the title?
You gave somebody the orange car.
It doesn't matter. I'm still Jeffrey Ridgway.
Oh no! I think
is it possession 9/10 of the law, or is that just the same? We have the title, we have the bike.
Title's in it.
All right, well, I'm possessing it right now, so it's mine.
And have we not asked you, JT, to get rid of this bike, to come pick this bike up for 2 years now?
Wait a minute.
And it's still here.
There's two bikes here. They got the 2015 in there.
Does this one even start? Does it even start though?
Does it run?
I'm sure it runs.
I think we're in our rights that we can do that. We can give that away to somebody who will come and pick it up.
Inflation, cost of parts, like
you guys gave the Miata.
Biden.
You gave the Miata away?
I gave the Miata away, yes.
You could have got money for that.
I don't care.
It doesn't matter. He wanted it out of the yard, and
Court almost lost an eye over this thing when we were trying to get out of the horn.
Yeah, but it's memorabilia.
Who owns it has to sign the title.
Exactly.
Right.
Okay?
Person who owns it may want a little bit of
but the
compensation.
person who owns it also has the same name as him.
Right.
So,
But that's not
Jeffrey's
legal.
Gotta give it to me.
How's it registered?
I bought it from Jeffrey when we filmed it.
Whose socials
I
it
witnessed
registered
it.
to?
I
told Jesse, yo, it's yours. Didn't you?
I think I wrote Jeffrey a check. I wrote Jeffrey a check for this.
listen, I
It's
thought,
not the first dollar he ever made.
you know, this video is supposed to be about the bike itself and that somebody was going to claim
I don't care about the video, I care about the bike, and that's money.
You can't just sell a bike without asking Jesse.
The bike's
I paid for the bike.
Jeffrey.
All right, what do you plan to do with it?
Dude, Jeffrey bought a new motorcycle with the money.
What are you going to do with it?
Oh, scrap
But he
it for
never
parts,
rode
get
it.
some money
That's
off
still
of it.
sitting in the
That makes
garage.
sense.
You can sell both
Yeah,
of them.
take it to the scrapyard, get
You
some
can sell
money.
to
He wants to
gang.
scrap it and get some money out of it.
Yeah, load it on the
So
trailer.
why should the
scrap it.
fan have the opportunity to get it?
But shouldn't it be his call if he wants to scrap it or not? I mean, he paid for
He
it.
don't care.
He doesn't have
never
the
got
title.
No, that's why I
title.
came here. I
He's
just
just
showed up to
stirring-
stop you guys from
He's
doing
just
this.
stirring the pot.
That was just a gift to get a new bike.
Right. Okay. So
Yeah.
if it's a
Oh,
gift, if
that's
it was a
big
gift,
difference. That is a big
then
difference.
we could get rid of this.
Dude, I
Correct?
could have got
That's
rid
a
of the
big
pink
thing.
car for 30 grand.
The bike doesn't need...
Wait a minute. My pink car? Because I got the title.
Dude, no, don't even get me started.
That was never worth
See,
30
yeah,
grand.
His name.
See? Now you're going with the
Oh, that's
title.
messed
That's
up.
because I
There
got the
you go.
title.
You got the title and you're saying...
If you guys are doing this, I'm just saying, get money for it.
For like,
Wait, yeah.
Yeah, but it doesn't even run, Jess.
Yes.
It doesn't run.
JT drove it. Your mother drove it.
I
You
got
drove
claim to
it
that.
as a family
If it
car.
runs.
Yeah, and I'm sure somebody drove it
No, no,
before
no,
you guys.
It's,
and used to own
it's
it.
Let's
broken.
get back to the
It's-
cycle.
Yes.
Lady.
If anybody wants to cycle,
no.
DM Terry on Twitter.
No,
if you
don't
want a
DM
better
me.
shot, then-
I think they need to make a comment.
No, send me an email and make me an offer to buy this
Talk to
motorcycle.
Jesse I don't because think it's
John cares. This is
legitimately his cycle.
And it's from Cycle Kid Submerges motorcycle. It's from when we were
I was
ratcheting the
there.
motorcycle.
Alright, we're gonna have to. Alright, we're gonna have to.
So we don't want this work.
Yeah, we're gonna probably have to loosen that rope up a little bit, right?
So wait, you guys are manually lifting it out of
We're
here?
gonna try.
Holy shit.
Where's Mark at when we need him?
Corn's gonna get like 5 kinds of back problems.
Well, that'll add to all mine, right? I was there in those videos.
It was
There's
like,
no way.
yeah, this is iconic, guys. Make me an
No,
offer.
let's
I
get
can't
rid
refuse.
of it. Give it to a fan.
Make me an
somebody's
offer.
Day.
I agree with your
I'm not worried
father.
about money.
Yeah, well, Dad, probably 100 people are gonna want this for free.
Right.
Only a few
Why are you even
diehards are gonna
saying
want to
that?
pay
You
for
weren't
it.
even here.
I know,
It
but I
doesn't
don't, I
weren't
don't
even
want
here
to.
when the
matter.
cycle
Here's
video-
the legal aspect here. He has the title. It's his.
Attorney?
Guys, if you care enough
Okay.
about this,
Who's
make an
that?
offer and we'll want it. Because we know a bunch of people will want it for free.
Wait a minute, they don't even know anything about it. JT, do you know anything about your
It's from the
bike?
videos. It's from the Psycho series.
86 Honda Shadow.
Nobody cares about
Okay, do
ads.
you know
They care about
anything
the
else?
video.
What year
There's,
is it?
I can
What year
see
is it?
that
What
there's
year is
stuff
it?
broken off of
You
it.
heard me say it.
Guys,
Oh,
we don't
like
need
a
to
lot
say
of
much
miles,
about it.
2,200 miles
Think
on
about
it.
this.
Yes, you do. They would, if somebody's interested in it, they need to know all the stuff.
Yeah, it's a collector's item. They
probably-
don't want it
it'll
for
need
the
a few things.
It's probably
It just
broke.
needs to be cleaned up.
Right.
Broke when we were trying to pull it out of that hole that we put it in.
Yeah, it did.
All right, all right, all right. So we
Damaging
got
my
nowhere
bike.
on this one, right? Right? Everybody's got their own opinion.
It's not an opinion, dude. It's fact.
I'm giving the damn thing away. So reach out to Terry.
Reach out to me
or
with an
DM
offer, and
if
I'll
you
make
want.
it. I'll make sure you get it. We can
And
film a
then we'll
video
have
on
a-
it. I'll
do a
drive. I'll
pic.
drive it to you guys. Whatever. All right. Hit me up.
I don't know how you're going to
All right. This has
I
been
don't
so
know.
much confusion. We're never supposed to go this way.
I don't know
Everybody
how.
have a
I-
great day
I actually-
and a good beer.
No, I actually think you should say a little bit about the bike.
I did. I did. It's an 86.
I
Yeah, take that
I don't
one
think
too. It's
Jesse's
an
going to be
86
allowed
Honda
to sell
Shadow.
it either because he doesn't have the title in his name.
Right, we have the title, so you
have the
understand
title.
what we're talking. And it's been sitting in our garage, Jack.
I understand that, but if JT wants
Look,
it, then he
let me-
should
let me-
come and
He can take it.
Yes,
I'll
he
drive
should
it to
come
his
and
house on
take
the
it.
tractor.
Exactly.
What?
Just
he wants it.
talk a little bit about
It's
it.
an 86
I mean-
Honda Shadow
Hold on,
with
come get
Jesse's
it.
ass in it.
Does it have like mileage or
2,200 miles on it.
How many?
2,200 miles on it, which
Okay.
is not bad. It's got some dings and dents, little things, but it still was running when it
I'm gonna
went in
tweet
the
this
hole.
now. I'm already creating an
And
ad.
we turned
I'm
it
already
over.
creating an ad. I already got it on Craigslist.
No,
We just
you're
took
not.
a, yeah, we just took a
No, you're
promotional
not.
image.
Yeah, but you don't have the title. We have the title.
He has
so you're gonna
ownership
turn-
to it. That's the most important
No, he
thing.
doesn't.
Oh, he does.
What
It's a-
ownership did
No,
he
he
have?
doesn't. The
it's already
title
going
is
on.
in
person's
Jeffrey
word
Ridgway's
is
name.
binding in any
I
court
said
of
it.
law.
How does that
telling
work
you,
on
it's
Twitter
all
or
about the
YouTube?
title.
That's
I'm
the
a
legal.
witness. I know
I know.
that JT sold it
But
to him.
everybody jumps
But
on each
there's
other's
no-
back on YouTube
it's
and
been
Facebook
sitting here
or
for
lies.
2 years.
Motorcycle for sale, $9.99. Me and Uncle Ad promoting.
$9.99. Oh my
Yeah.
God.
Well, you know what?
Yep.
That's
See
what,
that?
what would you call
There
that?
it is.
That's like
That's it.
fraudulent or
That's
something
it.
because they don't have the title.
So you're gonna
They
turn
don't
down
have
the
a
title.
title.
They
offer?
can't do it.
They can do it because
already
JT's
done it.
name is
It's
on the
fine.
title too. So if
It's
they
sat
want to
here
do
for-
it, so be
It
it.
sat here for how long,
All right.
and all of a sudden now,
Whoop, watch out.
Jesus.
Yeah, why do you care now?
yeah, all of
Yeah.
a sudden you care now, and it's like if he's ready
Because
to
he's
sell it.
trying to clean out the Morton building and he wants to get rid of that cycle and that, and he wants to get rid of, you might want to get rid of the snowmobiles too.
Okay, but my
Next.
whole point is like, why wouldn't you just talk to him first? Because he's the rightful owner. Why would you just get rid of it?
We've asked him for 2 years to come and get
Dude,
it.
this is the first time this ever even got brought up. Dad
not to
usually
you,
just throws
to
shit away
JT.
that he shouldn't
Just
be.
mentioning it in passing
Yeah.
doesn't mean that you actually talked
Hey,
to him
wait a
about
minute.
it.
I remember also for the record, all of a sudden the gaming room's completely missing.
No,
And Dad texts me, he's like, "Oh, by the way, this is now my workshop."
Okay.
And I'm like, "Dude, this is you
The
can't-
whole,
this-
remnants of the.
the series."
This is our house. Larry,
Oh, you're going to
listen,
look at it now?
Larry,
There ain't much left. Look, he's got like
He's got 2 walls.
A lot of stuff going on
exactly.
here.
But Uncle Larry, I had to fight for those 2 walls. I had to
Excuse me?
fight for those
Jeff,
walls.
they're going to tell us what we can do with our Morton
Whose
building.
name is
Jeffrey
on the
Destroyed,
deed?
like a deer
Jeff
head,
and
like-
Terry.
Oh, I get what you're saying, but it's like
Oh,
it's
there's
also.
the deer. That's going next. The deer is going next.
Do you believe this?
Right.
I have no emotional attachment to this.
All right.
Jeffrey has no emotional attachment to anything.
I'm losing.
And you know what? I think it's missing an antler.
It is, but that
It
was
is. It's right
always
there by the
missing.
car.
Actually, yeah.
Don't put your hip into my car.
Actually, excuse me.
Hey, there's my old skateboard box. We should
now,
break this
by the
out.
way.
What? The deer antler?
Here, I'll get this out of your way.
No, because you're going to get that away next.
No, I am taking.
Don't
this.
touch
careful.
that car.
I am
Oh my
taking
God.
this.
I'm taking this.
Will you take that too? Because that wasn't me.
Nope, this is mine.
Yeah.
Well, my God.
Why don't you take the vacuum cleaner too?
Well, we can't trust all of a sudden everything's gonna start getting given away to
When
families.
I die, you guys gotta clean it out anyway, or your
Yeah.
mom. Me and your mom die, sorry.
This brings back so many
Goodness.
memories over here. How can you get rid of this?
What do you mean? Oh, you're talking about the A&J tables, right?
No, I'm talking about the walls here that we put up that we.
Dude, we gotta start taking what we can and preserve
Yeah,
it.
Right.
this is messed up. You should not just be.
Did you ever see on like an old city block where they're trying to take down like a piece of history and then you got people picking in?
Yeah,
That's
but
what's about to do.
I'm not calling it historical
This is
society.
exactly what's happening right now.
What?
What?
I
Nobody cares about political
stuff.
I can't.
I was the mayor.
What do you?
Well, this
I raised taxes.
kind of went a little.
Hey, JT,
Little far,
okay,
didn't it?
take a shit.
Well, yeah, because
Watch your tabletop.
I thought for sure we could get rid of it. Now it's a big problem now.
No, but it goes for that saw, so you can get rid of that
So,
too.
can we offer the bike as a giveaway or not?
You know, some things are priceless.
I know, that's right, like my garage. It's priceless, but I don't want to stick in room.
What is that taking up? Like
I can use this as a Christmas
Is that going to fit in your
decoration.
Tesla?
Right.
What?
Is that going to fit?
Yeah, I can use it as a Christmas decoration, put lights around it.
Wait a minute. There's another antler over there. Go get it.
I just care
He's
about this
got
right now
that.
because I don't know how long
He's got
it's gonna
that
last.
shoved in his pants.
What's that? Literally like a
So
foot,
I
a foot
think-
of space you're gonna get rid of.
I
All right, so we're putting it up, right? Or did he put it on actually on Craigslist?
Who's that?
Who's that? Your brother. Either way, if you're interested in this, DM Terry on Twitter, and we'll first come,
and
served,
remember the
whatever.
secret word.
What's the secret word? You
put-
already put that
I
out.
put that out last video.
Yeah. So either
So,
way,
gotta
Jackie's
have the
quiet
secret
right
word.
now, so
Yeah.
we all.
Because it kind of really exploded here.
It did explode, right? So, all right. Either way, everybody have a great day and get a beer because I need another one.